We're going. I was watching this fish chase it. He chased it and I slowed it down and he nailed it. It's a nice fish. That's a real nice fish on there. I was watching him chase it. I got number 2. I cast it up the woolly bugger. It's actually a big fish. And I watched him come across the top and I stopped. And he nailed it. It's actually a decent fish. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Nice fish. Wow. I wonder if it's a holdover tagged one. Alright, Trapper Down, CT Outdoor Show. Let's see. Well, it's not huge, but now it's a rainbow. Still a nice fish. Nice. Oh, that was so cool. I watched him come and chase it. There he is. Trapper Down, CT Outdoor Show. Nice fish. Decent looking. Hook jawed rainbow. Alright, we get another one. Yeah, I know. I just kind of shake the hook out of them off. I know. No matter what the criticism is going to be, you touched it, it's going to die. You fought it too long. You ripped the hook out. Whatever. That was pretty sweet, though. The way I saw him come across it, I said, whoa, I'm sinking in the sand. I seen him coming for it, and I paused it, and he nailed it. Oh! Oh, number 3. He just hit it on the next cast. Number 3. Wow, nice fish. I love it. Whoa, there we go. That was sweet. Big piece of salmon. Number 3. We're killing it with the Olive Wolly bugger. Come on, dude, jump again. There we go. There we go. That's exactly what we want. Let's see if the camera's going. Yeah, it was. Yeah, we're going to keep it going. That was number 3. Hang on. I'm going to put it back on my head. Sorry. I'm going to put it back on. Going to make sure it was on. Hopefully I got it jumped. Where the fish jumped. Alright, well, me and my big mouth saying this hole. Come on. This hole doesn't hold them. Or isn't holding them this year. That's great. You can't go for 4. He nailed that sucker. Oh, whoa! That was a big brown. That was a big fish. Okay, well, lesson learned. Life is about learning, right? I was upriver throwing a hornberg. Nothing. Tried to nymph fishing because it was shallow and clear. Then I came down to this spot. And it's deeper and muddier. And I got rid of the nymph. Pheasant tail nymph. And I threw on the Olive Wolly bugger. And I got 3. So this one the water's a little high and a little muddy. Nymph fishing is out. Oop. Tie on the Olive Wolly bugger. I almost went with black. Oh, number 4. Just took number 4. Wow, and a big one jumped down there. Ha! Strap it on, CP Outdoor Show. Just took number 4 on an Olive Wolly bugger. Nice. Come on, jump like your brother. Good deal. We go for 5. They're right by that rock in that hole. Where's the bugger? There he is. I might go down a little bit and cast up into. Did you see the size of that one that jumped? That was the coolest thing I ever seen today. I don't think the video was going. I saw it coming about 3-4 inches under the water towards the woolly bugger as I was pulling it, and I stopped it. And when I stopped it, he nailed it. Come on, let's go for 5.